Yo, what's good, guys? So today, guys, I'm gonna be showing you how you can take your vocals from sounding like this.
The way you smile, they make it my heart, they do bing bing bing. Wanna dance to your love rhythm.
To actually sounding like this.
Smile, they make it my heart, they do bing bing. Wanna dance to your love rhythm. Fell in love in a split.
So without wasting time, guys, let's go right into our DW. So I show you guys how to mix an Afrobeat vocal. Let's go. Yeah. So this is the whole, the whole mix. We have a whole lot of, backup vocals, and then we have the lead, then we have the beat. So the beat, I just made the beat and send it over to him, and he recorded it over there and sent it back to me, and that's just how it was. All right, so first off, what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna turn off the whole effect, so we just hear it raw, in the raw state, and hear how the vocal sounds.
The way you smile, they make it my heart, they do bing bing bing. Wanna dance to your love rhythm. Fell in love in a split minute. Oh, yeah. Annabella rocking a bottega, yeah. Wanna dash you all my ego and my cheddar.
Yeah, so that's also, that's the raw vocal. So I was able to add in some effects, and we have something nice. So I'm just gonna turn on the whole effect for just the lead.
Smiley, they making my heart, they do bing bing. Wanna dance to your love rhythm. Fell in love in a split minute. Oh, yeah. Annabella rocking a bottega, yeah. Wanna dash you all my ego and my cheddar.
Yeah, so that's just the lead. So let's just listen to the backups, because the backups are a whole lot. So what I actually did for the backup was just to route it to a boss. So let's just listen to what the backups in itself sounds like.
Smiley, they making my heart, they do bing bing. Wanna dance to your love rhythm. Fell in love in a split minute. Oh, yeah. Annabella rocking a bottega, yeah. Wanna dash you all my ego and my cheddar, yeah. All of the girls wanna be like you, like you, like you. Cause the way you loving is different. I'm so obsessed with your dickiness. Mind you, girl, is a compliment. I fell in love with your intimacy. I did fancy your intimacy.
Yeah, so that's just every time. I'm sure it sounds really, really, really nice. So when it comes to mixing Mykah Boy's vocal, trust me, there's how he loves his sound, his vocal to sound, and that's just what he has been using all over the years. So it's just been like a preset. So once we record, we just need to load in that preset, and all we just have to do is just tweak the preset one or two, and so the vocal is consistent all through his record. So let's go back to the lead boss. So what I did for the lead, first of all, put him auto-tune, sent the vocal to an insert, and put in the auto-tune. And I'm using the Antaras auto-tune artist. So just setting the key, the alto, tenor, and the key is E flat and the major, and just increase the retune speed to around 8. He really loved having nice auto-tune on his vocal. So that was all I did for the auto-tune. Then I took that insert and routed it to a bus. So the bus is where I have all my lead processing done. All you just have to do to route it is it's very easy. Just come underneath here, right click, and you're gonna see route to this track only. So from this track, it sends the signal. After I did the auto tune, it sends the signal right to our lead bus. And for our lead bus, let me just turn off everything. I'll just bring in everything one by one. Yeah, so the first thing we have is an EQ, and this both a subtractive EQ and an additive EQ. So what we did here was actually taking away lots of low end. So we cut out to around 183 hertz, which that's cutting out a lot of the low end of the vocal. So he just loves his vocal to be in the mid and the high range, basically. So with that, let me just turn that off. So we have
Smiley, they making my heart, they do bing bing.
So with the auto-tune, we have
Smiley, they making my heart, they do bing bing.
So you can see how it has cut out a lot.
Smiley, they making my heart, they do.
It has cut out a lot from the low end.
Smiley, they making my heart, they.
Then boosting a little bit of the mid. So just like I said, he loves his vocal to sit more in the mid and in the high. So this might not work for your own vocal, but I've got a lot of comments saying you guys want to see how Mykah Boy's vocal is being mixed. So this is the way it's being mixed. So boosting some of the mid, and then boosting the high around the 7,700 hertz range. Yeah, just boosting it. This plus 2 dB and this plus 1 point. So if you're in the Patreon, basically I'm gonna gave you this mix template, so in case you want to try it on your own vocal, if it's gonna work for you. Then the next thing we are having is a compressor, and this compressor we're just trying to tame those signals that are bouncing up and down, just keeping it on a nice level. So with this turned on, we have this. So let me just solo the vocal itself.
Smiley, they making my heart, they do bing bing. Wanna dance to your love rhythm. Fell in love in a split minute.
So just a quick attack, a mid release, not too fast, not too slow, and just worked on the threshold.
Smiley,
so you can see the gain reduction we're having here.
Smiley, they making my heart, they do bing bing.
So let me just turn these two off. We have
Smiley, they making my heart, they do bing bing. Wanna dance to your love.
Then the next thing is another EQ.
Smiley, they making my heart, they do bing bing.
And this EQ, basically, we are still boosting the high and removing some of those frequencies that were sounding really muddy. And guys, this is how a guy wants his vocal to sound. So that's why I said basically mixing is just making sure it sounds nice. So if it sounds nice, it's nice. So with this EQ, we have this.
Smiley, they making
so when I turn it off, we have
Smiley, they making
I think we have is our DSR, because of all the high end we've added, there'll be some S's. So just using the normal wave DSR just to, tame that S's. Tame those S's a little bit. So you have this.
Smiley, they making my heart, they do bing bing. Wanna dance to your love rhythm. Fell in love in a split.
Then the next thing we have is this CLE3A, another compressor. And what this compressor is doing, just basically boosting, the whole vocal a little bit. So with this tone, don't have
Smiley, they making my heart, they do bing bing.
So with more compression here, you can hear without it.
Smiley, they making my heart, they do bing.
So with it has given it weight and also brought out the gain of the vocal.
Smiley,
so
they making my heart, they do bing bing. Wanna dance to your love rhythm.
Then the next is just a saturator, just to add some sweetness. So an exciter.
Smiley,
so this is just boosting a little bit of the high end. So we have this.
Smiley, they making my heart, they do bing bing. Wanna dance to your love rhythm.
So from this,
Smiley, they making my heart, they do bing.
To this.
Smiley, they making my heart, they do bing bing.
Then the next thing is just to add, reverb. And I just use a very simple reverb that if you're on the Patreon, you must have gotten this reverb by now. And with the reverb turned on, you have
Smiley, they making my heart, they do bing bing. Wanna dance to your love rhythm. Fell in love in a split minute. Smiley, they making my heart, they do bing bing. Wanna dance to your love rhythm. Fell in love in a split minute.
Nice. So then we have, let's listen to this part.
Baby, answer. It no matter. Ula balu. Love you like in the 90s. Gemini, she be Pisces. Matola no go size me. I'm more than what you be thinking, yeah. All of the girls wanna be like.
Yeah, so I can decide to just add like a delay. So I'm just gonna use the normal delay, fruity delay too. You can actually send the create like sense for this, but or you can decide to add this. Or what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add it directly. So let's go with a timing of 4 steps.
Baby, answer. Baby, answer. It no matter. Ula balu. Love you like in the 90s. Gemini, she be Pisces. Matola no go size me. I'm more than what you be thinking, yeah. All of the girls wanna be like you. Cause the way you love me is deep.
Nice. This is sweet. So you can also like sidechain, and create automations for your delays. Something like this. Let's try to do it. Let's just create an automation clip. Let me add an insert here and just create an automation clip. So let's create automation.
Smiley, they making my heart, they do bing bing.
Yeah, so this is the automation clip. We're just gonna
Smiley, they making my heart, they do bing.
So let's do something like this. So the delay only coming in, when at the end of every word. So it's not rowdy. So you have this.
Smiley, they making my heart, they do bing bing. Wanna dance to your love read.
I'm sure you can hear it. I'm gonna go increase it so you hear it well.
Smiley, they making my heart, they do bing bing. Girl, they making my heart, they do bing bing. Wanna dance to your love rhythm. Fell in love in a split minute.
Yeah, so you can just follow your words like that and create automation. So guys, there are various ways you can actually mix. Your aim is just to make sure your final product sounds really, really nice. So now let's go over to the backups. So for the backups, you have lots of backups, lots of harmonies. Iga Boy loves creating harmonies with the vocals. So yeah, we have so many harmonies. So all I just did was send these harmonies to various inserts. So you can see it's various insert on on the mixer, and I just panned it left, right, just chose different percentage. So for this now, you can see it's panned about 69% right. This is panned 82% right. So just played around with it. So just like putting it, in different spaces, your left and right ears. So we just did backups now. We have so with the backups, it's just the same thing as the lead vocal, the same mixing preset, the same stuff, so
and my cheddar, my joy, my comfort.
I can see how nice it sounds really, really nice.
Yeah. My joy, my comfort. I know they lie, no they lie, oh, no. My joy, my comfort. I know they lie, no they lie, oh, no.
Yeah, guys, and basically that's just it. So I hope you actually got something from this, and if you want to see my amazing comment, you definitely want to subscribe, because amazing videos coming your way all the time. And if you are yet to listen to Comfort, definitely go listen to Comfort. Link is gonna be in the description of this video. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.